Hello everyone, welcome to Browsify. If you're looking to set up a Shopify store but don't know where to start, this is the series for you. In this series, Browsify will guide you step by step on how to set up a Shopify store. By the end of the series, you'll have all the essential knowledge needed to start running and selling on the Shopify platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more valuable tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Now, let's dive into how you can get started with your very own account. Getting set up is quick and easy. Here's how. Step 1. Head to Shopify's website. Open your browser and visit Shopify's website. Once there, click the Start Free Trial button to get started. You can choose your preferred method to sign up for Shopify, including using your email address, Google account, Apple ID, or Facebook. Consider using a dedicated email address for your store. For example, if your store is called Dream Shop, you might use an email like dreamshop@gmail.com to keep everything organized. Step 2. Fill out a quick survey. Shopify might ask you a few questions like, what would you like to sell? Which best described you? What do you plan to sell? Don't feel pressured. If you're short on time, just hit skip and keep going. Step 3. Complete your registration. After filling in your details, you'll be taken straight to your Shopify admin dashboard. You'll get a 3 days free trial and an introductory offer, just one for the first month. And that's it. You're all set up and ready to start building your dream store. Let's move on to exploring Shopify's admin dashboard. This dashboard is your command center for everything. Let's break it down. 1. Home. The Home tab provides a quick overview of your store's performance once you've completed the setup and launched your shop, such as total sale, number of orders, website traffic. 2. Orders. This is where you manage all your orders. You can also track abandoned checkouts and follow up with customers who didn't complete their purchases. 3. Products. Here, you can add, edit, and manage your products. You'll set details like product name, description, and price. Inventory levels, images, and categories. 4. Customers. The Customers section helps you manage your audience. You can view detailed customer profiles, track purchase history, segment customers for targeted marketing campaigns. 5. Content. This section allows you to manage meta objects and manage files related to your store. 6. Analytics. Monitor your store's performance with valuable insights like revenue from different sales channels such as Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, conversion rates, customer retention rates, traffic sources. 7. Marketing. This section will help you about creating and managing your marketing campaigns. 8. Discount. Create and manage discounts here. Offer promotions like percentage-based discounts, buy one get one free deals, or free shipping. 9. Online store. This is where you customize your store's look and feel. Choose a theme that fits your brand, set up your navigation menu, and even write blog posts to improve SEO and attract more visitors. 10. Apps. Browse Shopify's app store to find tools that can supercharge your business. For example, live chat apps for better customer support, email marketing integrations, discount code generators to boost sales. 11. Settings. Finally, the Settings tab is where you configure the essentials like store name and address, payment methods such as credit cards or PayPal, shipping rates and zones. And don't forget to connect your custom domain name for a professional touch like midreamshop.com. With these sections in mind, you'll have everything you need to manage your Shopify store like a pro. By now, you should know how to register a Shopify account and have a solid understanding of Shopify's admin dashboard. I hope this video gives you the confidence to take your first steps into e-commerce with Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Browsify. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.